In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a presentation for work or school, knowing how to reposition your images, tables, or any other element within your slides can make a significant impact on the overall effectiveness of your presentation. Let's start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your desktop. If you're not already there, open up the application. Once it's running, you'll need to open an existing PowerPoint presentation or create a new one. If you're creating a new presentation, go ahead and add your photos, tables, and other content now so you have something to practice with. Now, let's move on to relocating an object within your slide. The simplest way to do this is with a click and drag. All you need to do is click on the object you want to move. This could be an image, a text box, or a table. Hold down the mouse button and drag it to the spot where you'd like it to appear. Relocate it with ease and release the mouse button once you're satisfied with its new position. If you're aiming for precision and want your object to remain aligned along a straight line while moving it, hold down the Shift key as you drag. This will restrict your movement to a straight horizontal or vertical path, ensuring that you maintain alignment with other elements in your slide. It's a handy trick to keep things neat and organized, especially when you're arranging multiple objects and want everything to line up perfectly. For those of you who need to make minor adjustments, PowerPoint offers a great feature for this. After selecting the object, use the arrow keys on your keyboard for small, incremental movements. This method gives you more control over precise placement, and it helps when your slide design demands meticulous alignment or positioning. It's especially useful when trying to nudge an object to just the right spot. That's all for today. With these tips, moving objects within PowerPoint becomes a straightforward task. Whether ensuring that each component is perfectly positioned for your presentation or aligning everything for a sleek, professional look, mastering the art of moving objects is a foundation skill that enhances both your efficiency and the quality of your presentation. Give these techniques a try and see how they can elevate your next PowerPoint project. Thanks for watching.